say fortune favors fools. And as dawn breaks in the west of Britain, the Arbergast farm is just waking up, as they have for many other morns, just like this one. But little do they know that today would go on to change the world forever.
Porridge. Again. I could go mad living on porridge alone. That there cursed bird. What to keep that thing for anyway? A man's pet should never be a sky bird. It ain't natural. Bad luck even. Some inheritance. Stone house and a caged critter. Huh? Time's a wasting. I know you feel responsible for that flying rat thing. Mind you, there's a billion things we could do with that bird if we wanted to eat it. Aye, we could spit roast it, stick it in a pie. Oh, how about bird à la ronge? It's quite lonely, you know, being the only fella who's talking all the time. I remember a boy up at Somerset Farm over yonder. He couldn't say a peep in damn near 20 years. Then he went to see this specialist who'd been staying up at the old inn for a spell. Come the autumn. Yes, he was piping up like no end. Wouldn't that be great, eh? We could discuss all sort of matters. Work keeps getting tougher and tougher. It is like a goddamn Greek tragedy, it is. Oh, I know. It ain't your fault. So the good Lord made you. Well, best be back to work.
Sweet Jesus, thank God you're alive.
This bad luck. No doubt's a bird that cursed us. Oh, squawk in the sun, black at every turn. What's wrong, lad? Spit it out, boy. What? What the? What? Speak up. What's he saying, lad? The what killed the bird? What the helmet fell upon us? The air we breathe? That's it. No way will we sit idle by while bloody air do us in. There's no time to waste. We're getting out of here now. Bring the bird. Keep digging. Oh, look! The bird's alive! That's it. Keep moving.
I can see some light, boy.
Bless be the gods for that there bird. It saved our goddamn bleeding lives, it did. Who'd have thunk it?
And so it was. The tale of the canary and the coal mine, and how a father and son brought their dead mother's canary to work in the mines. And when disaster arose, found out that the tiny bird could be used to detect the quality of air. Since that fateful day in 1895, canaries have saved the lives of millions of miners. This historical infomercial has been brought to you by Birdie, reminding you to air out your home, the coal mines of today.